How to restore WhatsApp messages deleted from me. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to restore WhatsApp messages deleted from me. Open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, choose Chats. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Here, you will find the option to back up your messages. Just tap on Backup to start the backup process. Once the backup is finished, your messages will be safely stored in the backup file. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.